To quickly log in into your Roblox account. So hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial I'll be guiding you through the steps on how you can quickly and easily log into your Roblox account. So in order to do this, let me show you how it works. So you simply open your Roblox account, and then instead of trying to log in with your password, you simply click onto this log sign in option and click onto this use passkey option. Simply select your username, and then you will need to verify your fingerprint, and the moment you will do this, you can see that you have successfully logged in into your user ID. So how you can achieve this is by clicking onto this more option, and then from here scroll down to settings, and under settings you can click on to account info, and under the account info it will show you the info of your account, and from here under the login method simply click on to manage and click onto this add passkey button, and then you can create or add your own passkey, and you will also be able to quickly sign in into your account instead of typing in the password each and every time you sign in. So that was all for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.